Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the specific Google Sheet and immediately going to version history. Click File, then Version History, then see Version History. This loads the right-hand panel. You do this because the panel lists saved snapshots by timestamp and editor, letting you jump to precise moments. Once visible, scan recent entries, expand dated groups, and hover to preview changes without altering the current sheet. Make sure to pause on an entry to confirm which cells changed before restoring anything. Next, you inspect differences and compare edits to understand who changed what. Select a version from the list. Google highlights altered cells and shows the editor's name. You can click the three-dot menu beside a version to name it for context or to make a copy. Once done, use the editor filter to isolate one person's edits, which helps when debugging formula changes or accidental deletions. Remember to compare two close timestamps if you need to find the exact cell-level modification. Finally, restore or recover specific content safely. If you need the prior state, click Restore this version. You'll revert the whole sheet to that snapshot. If you're unsure, first choose Make a Copy to preserve the current sheet so nothing is lost. If version history is incomplete or missing, check you're signed into the correct Google account and that the file isn't a downloaded or imported copy. One troubleshooting tip: verify file ownership and drive sync. History requires the file to.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.